Good morning. So I'm going to go around my house this morning to unplug items that we are not currently using. Here it goes. Oh, I should have done it the other way. Oh well. So here's one, because I'm not charging my phone. I'm not using this light early in the morning, so what else? Move this out of the way. We are not using this microwave or the toaster. Unplug. What else? My sister is not using her charger, so we should unplug it. Unplugged. Huh? Oh no, I'm doing this for a school project. Hold on, dog. Brother and sister totally have the TV on. Let's turn this off. It's off. So that's it for day one. And the next couple of days I will be recording to unplug items that aren't being used again, because sometimes people don't know how to unplug things. So, oh well, starting with me. So yeah, let's unplug this. Oh look, a light not being used. We'll turn that off when I'm done in here. Okay, yep, it's off. Let's turn off this light. Let's go in my room because I'm gonna go watch TV with my sister. Turn off this TV set. Turn off my light. Well, she's a friend. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to go around all night long to turn off stuff and unplug everything. Goodbye.